Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Installing Python 3.7.1 is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through the steps on a typical Windows system. If you're using a different operating system, the steps may vary slightly, but the overall process remains similar. Visit the official Python website at https://www.python.org/download/release/python-371 to download the Python 3.7.1 installer. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file and double-click to run it. You'll see a window like this. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.7 to path during installation. This will make Python easily accessible from the command line. Click on the Customize Installation button if you want to customize the installation settings. For most users, the default settings should be sufficient. Click on the Install Now button to begin the installation. The installer will copy the necessary files to your system. After the installation is complete, you need to verify that Python has been installed successfully. Open a command prompt or terminal window and type the following command. This should display the Python version you just installed, 3.7.1 in this case. Create a simple Python script to verify that Python is working correctly. Open a text editor and paste the following code. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Open a command prompt or terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved the file, and run the script with the following command. You should see the output hello, Python 3.7.1, on the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.7.1 and verified that it's working on your system. Feel free to explore Python further by trying out more complex scripts and projects. ChatGPT. Certainly. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Python 3.7.1 on a Windows operating system. Please note that the steps might vary slightly depending on your operating system. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website. Scroll down to the Files section, and under the Version column, locate the link for Windows x86-64 executable installer if you have a 64-bit system, or Windows x86 executable installer for a 32-bit system. Click on the appropriate link to download the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file, example Python 3.7.1 amd64.exe for 64-bit or Python 3.7.1.exe for 32-bit. Double-click on the installer to run it. On the first screen of the installer, make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.7 to path to make Python easily accessible from the command line. Click Install Now to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and pressing Enter. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. This should display the installed Python version, confirming that Python 3.7.1 has been successfully installed. Open a text editor, like Notepad, and create a simple Python script, for example, hello.py. Save the file. Open the command prompt, navigate to the directory where you saved hello.py, and run the script with the following command.